Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your close friends list on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram's close friends feature is a way to let you choose to share certain moments with certain people. It's a good way to make your account a little more personal and share details that are a little more intimate. To see your close friends list on Instagram, firstly, open your Instagram app. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Then tap on the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Now tap on the close friends option. And all the users you have added to your close friends list appeared here. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.